I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be unboxing the Beauty Creations mystery box. You can hear my fan, it's on high because today's really hot and I have my doors open. Yeah, so I hope it doesn't mess with the audio. So let's get into the details. So I did receive this yesterday. Here it is, that's how it looks. This is the Beauty Creations mystery box. When you go on their website, they have two boxes. They have the big mystery box, which used to retail for $80 but now is $45. And we have a little mystery box which used to retail for $40 and now retails for $25. And that is the one that I chose. And when you look on the website, it's the dark pink box. Not to be confused with the light pink boxes, which are the Be Bella Cosmetics mystery boxes. I didn't want to try Be Bella just because I haven't tried the products. I wanted to try and get Beauty Creations makeup, so that's why I chose the dark pink one. But the prices are the same for the Be Bella mystery boxes as well. And it is all makeup that come in these mystery boxes. They come in different themes. Each month is a different kind of theme, so you can get the one for June starting the 1st to the 30th, and then next month they'll have different products and different themes. You get 5 to 6 full-size products in each box. That's all the information. So this is how it came. Open it. This is how it looks. The first thing that I see is this little pamphlet. And it looks like they have some glosses and stuff. And then we get a sticker. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but I got the little mystery box, so I paid $25. And then we get this, hope you like the goodies, be the first to grab your newest products. Oh wow, so we get a discount code. And then also for Be Bella, or Be Bella. So the first product I see in here are these lashes. Okay, they look pretty dramatic. And these are in the style Kissable. They look really nice. Now, am I a lash wearer? I tried to be. I even purchased them from the Shop Miss website, and I was gonna put them on today, and I didn't. I forgot to mention I'm doing drugstore week, so that means I'm using drugstore makeup throughout the whole week, and that actually went up a couple, like 2 weeks ago or something. So I have the playlist linked down below if you want to watch that. And yeah, we use a lot of Beauty Creations products in those videos, so interesting. I am going to do like a Beauty Creations roundup where I'm going to be talking about a lot of Beauty Creations makeup, which is why I wanted to purchase this box. So these are definitely going to be on the to-do list, put them on and see if they're nice or not, so I can let you guys know. But interesting. Okay, I'm happy about it. The next thing here is a sponge, and this is actually a sponge I purchased before and I've actually talked about and like. This is the Beauty Creations blending sponge, and I remember when Hush was around, that's when I purchased it. And it's so awesome because you get the sponge and you also get the little sponge soap thing to clean it, and it's a really good soap. It's really good. Like, it really leaves your sponges super clean. So I'm happy about this because I remember liking this a lot. Next thing I see in here is an eyelash curler, and it says Flirty Lashes. This is really cute. I do own a lash curler from the 99, but I know a lot of lash curlers are different. Like, some of them really work and they really lift your lashes, and then there's others that don't. So we're gonna see which one works better, the 99 one or this one. And I actually need a new one, so I'm glad that we got one in here.
And let me lift my lashes up now that I didn't use a lash curler today. Oh.
Ooh, the next thing I'm excited about, because I just mentioned this in my drugstore week, one of the videos, that I wanted to try the other scents. This is the Beauty Creations Rose Setting Spray, and I love it. Today I used the coconut setting spray. I own that one, I purchased it, but this one, I'm so glad that they sent it because I did want to try the rose one. You can actually smell it now. Let's see how it smells. Yeah, it smells good. Can't wait to use it on the face. I bet it's as amazing as a coconut one. Yes. Next thing we have here looks like a palette. This is a Boho Babe Beauty Creations palette. And let's see how it looks. Ooh, pretty. Okay, it comes with a sleeve. What? It comes with a mirror. Oh, okay, that wasn't a cute angle. It comes with a mirror. I'm gonna fold it back. Oh my goodness. I'm kind of happy about this. Look at this palette. This is gorgeous. I'm just what? This is gorgeous. This made the box for me. Look at all those beautiful shades. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to use this on the eyes. Definitely gonna be in some videos. Gorgeous. Okay, looks like we have a metallic lip gloss in here. This one's in the shade My First. It looks like a nice shade. However, I'm not like a huge metallic lip gloss fan, but we're gonna see how this works. I mean, the palette is just amazing. So we might have to use all of this in a kind of like full face kind of video or something. But yeah, it's a pretty shade. So the last thing are some brushes. These are called the Liquid Sparkle Teal 7-piece brush set. So let's look at these. Cute. So they have like that little glitter stuff. And these are the brushes. Let's look at them. This is so pretty and they're really soft. You see how that one is just like, oh, pretty. And this one, it's just like that. These are so pretty and they're really soft. This one's gonna be perfect for eyeshadow. Then we have this one, like a little fan brush. Ooh, okay. So that's everything that came in the box. We got a total of 7 full-size products. We got the lash curler, which I'm actually happy about. I want to try it out. I needed a new one. We have the sponge that I already like, and I got a backup now, and I got a little soap. Already love this. I have the coconut one and now I have the rose one, which I'm super excited about. This I'm okay with. I like trying new stuff. It's just a matter of getting me to put them on is a thing. So I'm excited about this. The metallic lip gloss is okay. I really like the shade that it came in and I can't wait to try it and let's see how it works. I've never tried a metallic lip gloss, or have I? I might have one in my collection, but yeah. I did try that, and the things that I'm most excited about are the brushes. They feel really soft and they're just so cute, and the palette is just amazing and it feels good quality, and just the shades in general are gorgeous. So I can't wait to try this out. So overall, I was really happy with this box. I definitely recommend you guys check it out. They have the big mystery, they have the little mystery. Really cute and really inexpensive. The small one was only $25 and I got a lot of great things. I'll have the link down below if you guys want to check it out, but we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Like I said, I'm gonna have it linked down below if you guys want to check them out. But I'm honestly really happy with everything that I received, and I hope that you guys check it out because I can't wait to try out the palette. Like it just looks really cute, and yeah. I also have some videos that I uploaded last week. They're gonna be in the description box if you want to check those out. I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every Sunday. If you guys want to stick around, I upload 3 times a week. Yeah. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen and post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high-end, and I also am doing my palette lottery, so if you want to, go ahead and follow me. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You are your own person and make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.